Melba and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a very long time, but I'm actually going to show you guys some things that I bought at Sephora during the VIB and VIB Rouge sale. As it turns out, I was actually having a really bad week right before the sale, so of course when the sale came around I was like, you know what, I'm going shopping, and I bought a lot of good things. I was actually having somewhat of a skincare kick, so there's a lot of skincare items here. But yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing that I picked up is this set by Josie Maran. This set includes their face butter and their organic moisturizing oil. Now, of course, I've tried their oil. It's one of their most popular products and I love it. And this face butter actually has really good reviews. So I haven't tried it yet, but really excited to try these out together and see how that works. The next two things that I got are these sets by Sunday Riley. Now, I don't actually intend to keep both of these. I wanted to compare them side by side and see which one I really liked. But yeah, I got both of them because I fell in love with the sample that I got from Sunday Riley, and I knew I had to get my hands on it, and these sets are a really good deal considering the full price of these items. But this set has the all-in-one lactic acid treatment and the sleeping night oil. And this set is actually a little bit different, so it definitely has a lot more items. It has the good genes, it has a ceramic slip, a serum, something called Tidal, and Luna. So definitely a lot more stuff here. It was just a little bit more expensive, so I have to look at them side by side and decide which one of these is worth the money, I guess I would say. The next thing that I got is this little set right here by Caudalie. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, so please forgive me if I'm butchering it, but this set actually has 3 skincare products. It has a radiant serum, a brightening essence, and an overnight renewal cream. And yeah, I'm really excited to see how these work out as well because I've only tried the brightening essence from them, but I really like it. It serves as a really good toner and it just feels really nice on the skin. So I'm assuming, or I'm hoping for the same effect from the other products, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted on that. The next thing that I got is actually something that I always look forward to during the holidays. It is the NARS matte lip set, and truth be told, these are actually some of my favorite lip products of all time. I feel like they are very nice and moisturizing, but they still have that matte feeling and that matte look that I tend to really like. But the set comes in a small bag like this, and then inside of this you have 4 matte lip shades. Okay, so I have 4 things left to show you guys, but I'm going to show you 3 at the same time because these are actually kind of boring. And the reason I say they're boring is because they're already part of my usual daily routine, so there's really not much to say about them. But this is the Grande Lash Serum. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Makeup Forever HD Foundation. And the last product that I have is actually the one I'm most excited about, but this is the PMD Personal Microdermabrasion System. And I'm actually really excited to try this out because I've been eyeing it for about 2 years now, and a good friend of mine on Instagram actually mentioned that she uses this and that she had seen some really great results from it, so I decided to finally pull the plug and give this a shot. So if you guys want to see an updated video on this or a review, please let me know because I think now would be a good time to do it. I've had really problematic skin all month, so I'm interested to see how this works and of course what it does in combination with all the skincare items that I bought. But anyways, that was it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you went shopping during the VIB sale, let me know what you got down below. And make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe if you're not already. And I will talk to you guys next time.